Welcome to the beautiful coast of Maine. I'm Chris Davis with American Dream TV and Selling Maine. Tourists and foodies love to visit our city for the award-winning downtown restaurants, our famous lobster rolls, and honestly, how easy it is to navigate this city without traffic, which also makes it a great destination for runners. In honor of the Maine Marathon this October, while I'm running my 4th race, I want to take you along the beautiful marathon route, show you my favorite place to maintain your body, and lastly, a new development where you might want to call home. Let's go. Wait, let's run. The Maine Marathon kicks off October 6th this year, and I'll be running it for my 4th time. It is a gorgeous route that follows Route 1 all the way up the coast to Yarmouth and back to Portland with a big finish in our back cove. If you are gonna run it, please let me know. I'm grateful that we have this beautiful route and all these incredible business surrounding this event. Hey, you must be Emily.
Yes. Hi, Chris. Welcome to ReStore. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm a little sore, but I think you might be able to help with that.
I heard that. I absolutely can. Let's actually get you into some compression. I'll take you right on over here and then we can talk.
Sweet. Well, my legs are already starting to feel so much better, so this compression is amazing. But I see a ton of other stuff going on. So what else does ReStore have to offer?
All right, we have a lot to offer. So we've got compression, we have the infrared sauna, we have red light therapy, also photobiomodulation, is what some people refer it to.
Yeah.
We have cryotherapy. That's kind of our Mac Daddy. People love the cryotherapy.
You know, if people are coming in, they're training for something, maybe they lift weights, what would you recommend?
Totally. So this really is a great one. This is compression. What it's gonna do is it's gonna break up that lactic acid that we get post-workout.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, when they have like a leg day, they'll come in here and do that. Also gonna drain the lymph. So really important to stay hydrated after you do this.
Okay.
Cryotherapy is great for those minor aches and pains that endurance athletes get or weightlifters get.
Yeah.
It releases cold shock proteins, works similarly to taking like a steroid. So that inflammation that we have, really reduced after a cryotherapy session.
Okay, and then you have this new thing, the salt room that we've been hearing about.
It's the salt room. One session in there is equivalent to about 3 days at the beach with the salt exposure. Salt exposure is great for people with respiratory ailments, so asthma, allergies. We're seeing a lot of that right now.
Well, legs are feeling good. I'm excited to jump in. Should we go salt or cryo first?
Oh, cryo, absolutely.
Okay, great.
Can't wait to get you in there.
Ooh, -100, here we go.
160.
160! Like this?
All right, looks like you're all ready to go. So the most important thing is picking a song that's gonna get you through your session. Okay, so you got this. I'm gonna have you go in, put your 2 feet on there, head on in when the light turns green.
Alrighty.
We'll be right on the other side.
Wow, so that's really cold. But you're in there, she's checking on me with the microphone, you have the music playing, and like, yeah, it's cold, but you come out like, I feel alive, I feel extremely awake and energized, and I could see people wanting to do that a lot. My heart's beating a little faster. Well, thank you so much. This has been an awesome experience, and I can't wait to come back.
Of course, thanks for coming in, Chris.
Thanks, Emily. Time to change. Well, I feel absolutely amazing and rejuvenated. So next, I'm gonna take you to one of Falmouth's newest luxury developments. I'm gonna run there. Welcome to the Wyeth. With big, sprawling views over downtown Falmouth, this is where casual luxury meets the natural beauty of Maine. Right off the back of the building will be a whole series of trails for the residents to enjoy. In addition to that, you're gonna have a private terrace, a shared roof deck, underground parking, and on the first floor, they're gonna have a sushi restaurant, a home furnishing store, a Pilates studio, and more. Now this 3-bedroom unit starts over $1 million, and this location is not to be missed. I'm gonna show you around. Well, that was a super fun look into the lifestyle enhancements that the Wyeth offers, listed exclusively with the David Banks team at RE/MAX by the Bay. If the marathon brings you here this fall, we'd love to see you out on the course, or if Falmouth might be the next place you want to call home, we'd love to welcome you. Chris Davis with the American Dream Selling Maine. I'll see you next time.